for affordable luggage, this might be good for you. Now I pack everything. Ta-da! Including Romeo, into just one carry-on. Hi everyone, he is Romeo and I'm Romeo Mama. Today we are going to talk about the two bags that is going viral at the moment. I have tried both of them and I truly understand why they are getting viral. Let's talk about the luggage first. This is the Bagsmart Carry-On Luggage. The thing I like is the compartment. So I truly love the more tiny little details that they make. Number one is the plastic compartment in here. This is very handy for all the wet stuff. If you're worried about your skincare or anything that will drip, you can put it in this plastic compartment. Or some underwear that haven't dried or swimming gear that haven't dried, you can always put it in this plastic compartment. It's very handy, so it won't leak. The second one is the same size. This is very useful, and then when you open it, this is the part that when I fit most of my clothes, I can actually squeeze like 7 dresses in here and 1 puffer jacket in here. You still got a lot more room. And the zip is very smooth, so it's not no kick in here. So the other side. Okay, do you want to come in here first? Do you want to come to this way? Okay, this side, you got the document part. It's very handy. I put in the document in here. Zip it up. This flap can actually comes off. If you don't like it, you can take the whole things off. But I like it. It's act like a compression too. So if you don't want it, you still got the 2 strap in here. You can make it tighter, so it can help with compressing your item inside. So it's help like this. This flap is connected with the 2 snap button in here. So you just snap it back in. So you can always press your item down. I also like both sides. Got quite a bit of depth. So it's very high enough for you to push your item. Because some other luggage, it could be a bit shallower, then you cannot put much. So this is the both sides. You can still got quite a good of depth. This is a expandable luggage. I'll show you where the zip is in here. So there's a 1 hidden zip. When you open it all the way, it can expand like this. So it gives you more room. If your item is too tall or you're just running out of space, you can keep expanding it. Or you can pack it expanding it first, and then when you zip it up, it also act like a compression. Next thing I like about this Bagsmart Carry-On is the color. Because it's not often I see color like a beige like this. And they do have that glide wheel technology. So it's quite smooth. So you can see it's 360 degrees. So it's very easy, especially if the luggage is full. And it's very easy for you to turn. And the other things I like most is the double handle in here, the double bar, because you know some other hand carry, they only have the T-bar, though it's hard to balance. But for this one, because it's double, so it won't tilt easily like the T-bar. So if you're looking for luggage that more balanced, the 2-bar is always easy when you turn. Because the T-bar, sometimes when you turn at the corner, it will flip. Next, they got the handle on one side and the other handle on this side. Because when you are going to put it on the overhead compartment, you always need 2 handles. For me, at least, I need one shorter to chuck it on top. Because I have used a luggage that's only got the top handle. It's harder to do the angle like this when it's heavy. it's easier when you hold it horizontally, then it got more strength. And it comes with luggage tag. And let me remind everyone, don't put in your actual address, put your name, email address or telephone number. So if they found it, they can contact you, but it's not going to your house to know that it's empty. Talking about the wheels, the good thing is they have full cover on the wheels. The other brand I have, they got holes as the design. Sometimes the dust and the dirt, they always track inside, is hard to clean because I always wipe everything clean, including the wheels, after every trip. So I noticed that when the wheels got no holes in here, it's sort of easier when you clean it. They do have the TSA lock. You can put it in here. Unlock. It comes up. So after talking about all the good things about this bag, there's one thing that I think if next time, if they're going to design another bag, I would suggest then they have a little pocket outside here, there at the back. At least if you have some quick items you want to put it in and out, you don't have to open the luggage and you can just put it outside like that. Now I'm going to show you the dimension of this luggage. The height, including the wheels, is about 54 centimeters. The width is about 36. The depth is about 25, 26. And when you expand it, it is close to about 29. So let's do an expand one. When it expands, yes, it's close to 29 when it's after it's expanded. The price of the Bagsmart Carry-On Luggage is quite reasonable. I'll put it in the link in the description box below. And also if you want to get this luggage, you can use our discount code. So I'll also put the code in the description box and on the screen. So make sure you take the opportunity of this discount code. See whether you like one of these luggage. Thank you for watching. If you find this video is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. We upload new videos every week. See you next time.